Have you ever failed at something so badly that you felt like giving up? Maybe you started a business that didn't work out, failed an exam, or got rejected from an opportunity you really wanted. When failure hits, it can crush your confidence, but only if you let it. The truth is, failure is not the end. It's a stepping stone, and today I'm going to show you how to bounce back from failure and rebuild your confidence stronger than ever. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step strategy to turn any failure into a comeback. Let's get started. Step 1. Redefine what failure means. Most people see failure as a dead end, but failure is not the opposite of success. It's part of success. Every successful person has failed, often many times. The difference? They see failure as feedback, not defeat. Think about it. Thomas Edison failed 10,000 times before inventing the light bulb. Oprah Winfrey was fired from her first TV job. Michael Jordan was cut from his high school basketball team. What if they had let failure stop them? Failure doesn't mean you're not good enough. It means you're learning. Step 2. Allow yourself to feel the disappointment, but don't stay there. Failure hurts. That's normal. But the key is to process it, not dwell on it. Give yourself a set time, maybe a day or two, to feel frustrated, disappointed, or even angry. But after that, move forward. Failure only defines you if you let it. Step 3. Separate your identity from the failure. You failed at something, but that doesn't mean you are a failure. There's a big difference. One event does not define your worth or abilities. Instead of saying, "I failed," reframe it to, "I'm learning how to improve." Step 4. Analyze what went wrong without beating yourself up. Failure is only useful if you learn from it. Ask yourself, what specifically went wrong? What was in my control? What can I do differently next time? Look at failure like a scientist analyzing data. It's just information, no judgment, just lessons. Step 5. Focus on what's next, not what's lost. One of the biggest mistakes people make after failure is obsessing over what went wrong instead of focusing on what comes next. If a door closes, stop staring at it. Look for the next opportunity. Your energy should go into what you can control moving forward. Step 6. Build back confidence through small wins. Confidence doesn't come from avoiding failure. It comes from proving to yourself that you can recover. The best way to do this? Small wins. Break your next goal into tiny steps. Each small victory builds momentum and reminds you that you are capable. Step 7. Adopt a beginner's mindset. Instead of expecting perfection, treat every challenge as a learning experience. When a baby learns to walk, do they quit after falling? No, they get back up. That's the mindset you need. Tell yourself, "I am in the process of mastering this." This shifts your focus from outcome to growth. Step 8. Surround yourself with resilient people. The people around you influence your mindset. If you're surrounded by those who fear failure, you'll fear it too. But if you spend time with people who see setbacks as opportunities, you'll start thinking the same way. Find mentors, read stories of successful people, and connect with those who inspire resilience. Their mindset will rub off on you. Step 9. Change your self-talk. After failure, your inner voice matters more than ever. If you tell yourself, "I'm not good enough," your brain will believe it. But if you say, "I am learning and improving," your brain will believe that too. Here are some powerful affirmations to use. I am resilient and I can handle setbacks. Every failure brings me closer to success. I trust myself to grow and improve. Say these out loud, write them down. Your words shape your confidence. Step 10. Take action immediately. The longer you wait after failure, the harder it is to restart. The best way to regain confidence? Take action now. Start with one small step. Maybe it's sending an email, applying for another opportunity, or practicing a skill. Momentum builds confidence. Step 11. Reframe failure as an essential part of your journey. Imagine watching a movie where the main character never struggles. It would be boring. Every great success story has setbacks. Your failures are just part of your success story. Instead of thinking, "Why did this happen to me?" start asking, "What is this teaching me?" Step 12. Keep moving forward no matter what. True confidence comes from knowing that no failure will break you, that no matter what happens, you will adapt, learn, and keep going. So here's your challenge. For the next 7 days, commit to taking action despite fear. Apply for something. Take a risk. Do something that moves you forward. Let me know in the comments what step you're taking this week. Failure is not the end. It's just the beginning of your comeback. You are stronger than any setback. Keep going. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more content on confidence and resilience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.